Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. Today I will be telling you a story, The Cobbler and the Elves. Once upon a time there was a cobbler living in a town. He lived with his wife. He worked very hard but he earned very little money. So he was unable to meet the ends of his family. He was always worried what will happen when they run out of money. So because of less income, they used to live in a cottage at the end of the town. So a day came when all the leather and the required materials for making a shoe ran out. There is only one piece of leather which is sufficient for making one shoe. So he carefully cut the leather and left it on the table and returned home to get some sleep. So the next day when he came, he saw that the shoe was a pair of shoes. So he was surprised to see it. He thought and wondered who would have made the shoes, but he didn't find. The shoes were very beautiful. He rushed to the market and sold the shoes, and with the money he got, he bought leather and materials required for making shoes. So he carefully cut all the pieces of leather and arranged them and decided to make the shoes next day. So when the next day he came, and surprisingly many pairs of shoes were made from the pieces of leather the cobbler cut. So gradually this continued for many days, and because of that he worked very less and he made more shoes, and he got rich. He now lives in a mansion and he owns cars. So he told his wife about what is happening. So he and his wife thought to see who were making the shoes. So that day the cobbler cut the pieces of leather and along with his wife he hid behind a wall. So that night two elves came to the cobbler's house and made the shoes. They were surprised to see it. So it was Christmas Eve. The cobbler and his wife thought to give the elves a gift to show their gratitude. The cobbler made a new pair of shoes for the elves while the wife made a new dress. So that day, that day night on Christmas Eve, they placed these things along with the pieces of leather cut. So next day, when the elves came, they ate the food and wore the clothes and wore the shoes. They danced, sang, and were very happy. So they thanked the cobbler. Since that day, the elves stopped coming to the cobbler's house and shoes were not made. So the cobbler decided to make the shoes on his own. The elves had helped him this long and he should start doing hard work now. Since then they lived happily ever after. The moral of the story is God helped someone when they needed the most. Thank you.